Welcome back to the channel. Today I thought we'd have a quick look at dishwashers, mainly because this one behind me is broken. I've got a new one here and we need to replace this one with that one. So we need to get this one out and that one in. So I thought we'll have a quick look at how easy it actually is. So a dishwasher needs three things to work. Well, it needs loads of moving parts and all sorts of things. But for us normal mere mortals, what it needs is electricity, it needs water, and it needs somewhere for the water to go. So first off, electricity. There's a plug behind this dishwasher, and because I live in the UK, the plugs in the UK have a switch on them, and the switch for this one is actually located on top of the worktop. It's, where's my finger? It's that one there. So I've already turned it off, so there's no power going to this dishwasher. Next is water, which is in this cupboard because it's underneath the sink. That's where you usually find the water ports for your dishwashers, mainly because the water for the sink needs to come from somewhere, so it goes into the same pipes. And somewhere for the water to go as well under the sink goes into the same pipes as the sink ones. So let's have a look at the water first and take it from there. So here you can see two pipes coming out from this hole. This blue one is the water pipe and the grey one is the waste water pipe. So the blue one goes into a switch or a valve back there. Now the valve is blue because it's cold water. That one there, the red one, that's hot water. So your dishwasher heats up its own water, so hook it up to the cold one. Do not hook it up to a warm one, or your water bill, or your heating bill rather, your gas energy bill will go sky high off the roof. So first, what we need to do is we're going to turn off this switch. So it turns one way, and that just turns the water off, so there's no more water going in this pipe. Now there will be water in this pipe, so when we take it off, there's going to be water dripping, so have a bucket or a towel ready to catch that water. Same with the waste pipe, there might be some water left in there, so when we pull it off from there, we're going to put something to cap it off so the water doesn't come out. And then once we pull it through that hole, we can then put it all in a bucket. So right now I'm just going to unscrew that little screw there, that nut that holds that pipe into this cold water pipe. Take that out, and then I'm going to take this out, and then I'm going to pull the dishwasher out ever so slightly, and then feed that through that hole. The dishwasher here is pushed against the back wall, so there's no room for the pipes to go, so I need to pull the dishwasher out a bit, then feed the pipes through so they can fall on the floor. But like I said again, there will be water in these pipes, and as they fall through and the pipes lay flat, most of the water is going to come out behind the dishwasher. So if you've got something to cap these two pipes off, the better. So I'm going to do that now. Stay tuned for the aftermath. So I've capped these pipes off with just some sandwich bags and some tape. There you can see the plug and the hole that goes underneath the sink. So that's where the electricity goes, and that's where the pipe goes underneath the sink. So like I say, I plug these off with some sandwich bags just to keep the water in. And here you can see the new dishwasher plugged in, electricity coming to it, lights are on, and underneath the sink I put the pipes in. Obviously don't push the dishwasher too far back because it'll just kink the pipes. So the grey one with the blue line is the cold water one. Blue line indicates it needs to go into the cold water. The waste pipe goes into the waste pipes. There was a little leak from the sink pipes that I had to fix, so this video took a bit longer. Here, if you look at the plug, it's got some melted plastic on it from the back of the dishwasher. I think it's just been pushed a bit too far and it's overheated and melted some insulation on the plug, which has probably caused it to fail. But yeah, that's it, done. Thumbs up, give us a like, and on to the next one. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.